We need kids to work with their hands. There are tons of careers out there.
Woodshop class at West Hills High, taught by Catherine Worley, is alive and well, and the folks at Taylor Guitars in El Cajon couldn't be happier.
Machines are doing things that machines are good at. They can't do things that people are good at.
Taylor Guitars employs a talented team of luthiers as a world leader in the manufacturing of acoustic guitars.
We're approaching 800 guitars per day.
The quality, look, and sound have hooked many stars, including Zach Brown.
Taylor Swift for sure.
There's a story to the company's past.
Taylor Guitars was founded in 1974 by Bob Taylor and Kurt Listug.
Bob Taylor grew up taking woodshop in his high school. It's where he made his first guitar.
Decades later, students at West Hills High and 4 other schools are part of the Taylor Guitars shop program.
They start with that.
We donate the supplies.
Back braces,
Each kit is worth about $200.
truss rod,
And the teachers teach the program.
In an era where many schools have cut their woodshop programs.
Bob wanted to support the continuation of that kind of environment.
I'm going to walk away with a beautiful guitar.
The program began in 2004, and about 250 students take the 2-semester course every year.
I'm an advanced guitar, and I wanted to learn how to make the guitar. It can be a complicated process.
from day one, when they're doing measurement, if they miss the measurement, day 10 is not going to go well.
I tell myself, don't screw it up, pay attention.
Jerry Kowalski created the step-by-step process. Then he trained the woodshop teachers.
Over time, the teachers have become luthiers themselves, so it's sustainable on its own.
When you make something with your own hands and then you get to use it, you can't put a price on that.
I'm 100% going to end up using that guitar.
And who knows, they may find a career at Taylor Guitars.